I would like to invite you to Capitalize Investors Club. It's a portfolio guidance and profitable case studies membership exclusive for students and, of course, my friends and people who have been Sher Khan, Capitalize Sher Khan branch members. So, who is this exactly for? This is for somebody who has excess cash to invest, somebody with a moderate to low risk capacity. So, if you're looking for fixed returns, this probably is not a right membership for you. And you have heavy interest in stock markets, but you don't have the time to study and go after the right kind of stocks. And especially new students who have just joined in my class and they have the knowledge, they have the time, but they lack confidence to get into the market. This is going to be extremely useful. And of course, people who have been existing Sharekhan clients of our capitalized branch are also going to benefit from this particular membership. So, what type of recommendations are you going to get in this? As I've specialized in last few years, IPOs are going to be primary calls. Apart from that, of course, there'll be midterm trading calls, which will be from 3 to 6 months range, and then 6 to 18 months investment calls, in which you'll be buying and holding stocks for at least on an average of 1 year for decent profits. Now, what information would you be provided? Simple, you will get exactly when to buy a stock and when to sell it, a stop loss if in case it's a trading call specifically, and when to hold a stock. So sometimes stocks have weird movements, so if you have to hold a stock, you'll be informed about that as well. And very important, how much to buy, the portfolio percentage and risks level. So if you're getting into a particular stock, is it risky, high risky, low risky? So that will be clearly mentioned in the information provided to you. So how does this all work? I've made it very simple. Step by step process is as follows. Step one is to subscribe to the membership, and at the end of this video I'll tell you exactly how to do that. After that, you will get stock reports in PDF format in our knowledge vault. You will also get invitations to the live Zoom meetings I keep, where I'll be going into details, and you will of course get WhatsApp alert for the same. Then you have to actually purchase the stock, very important. Go ahead and buy those stocks in whatever quantities that you are comfortable with. And important, very important, is the fact that you need to set alerts. Okay, so if you're a Share Khan member, you can easily set alerts. And if you have any other broker, make sure that you set price alerts. And finally, the most important aspect, book profits on those particular stocks. So this is how this entire membership is going to work. The information part is ours. The buying and selling part is, of course, yours. Now, what are the features of the membership? Once you become a member, you'll be added to a dedicated WhatsApp group where you will get your profit alerts, any important update or major changes that are happening in the market, and of course there'll be Q&A for any specific stocks, only related to the ones that I have already recommended. Then we have quarterly investors meeting, which I've already done one. COVID-19 portfolio meeting was very successful. Now there's going to be an online event where I'll be sharing the market outlook in general as well, to understand how Nifty and the entire Indian economy is going. And of course, investing rationale behind all the stocks that I'm recommending, I will be informing in this investors meet. And finally, you will get access to the members knowledge vault. So whatever meetings that we do, they will be recorded, and these recordings will be accessible to you in the members knowledge vault. Apart from that, the PDF report of the entire meeting and all the stock recommendations with rationale will be given here and will be kept in the members knowledge vault, of course. And there are some additional knowledge bombs, which are my recordings and important meetings which I've recorded, where better portfolio management techniques, some investment guidance, some information which can help part-time stock market investors will be added as well, from of course time to time, depending on how I conduct these meetings. Here's the list of stocks that I had recommended last time. Please do not buy it from this list because most of them already hit target. As you can see, this I maintain this Excel sheet with all the recommendations that I've given, and most of them have hit target. Some of them are approaching target. So this kind of list of 10, 20 stocks you can expect in our monthly meetings for you to buy. Ideally, if we are targeting double digit returns, at least beating mutual funds is the target of each recommendation.